This is a quick update video for Racknerd VPS hosting. I published the review earlier and I forgot to add the actual benchmarks that I've been doing with the other VPS servers. So I just made the application again in a control panel. And these are the three results. So test 1 was 7.3, test 2 7.5 and test 3 7.5. The standout with some of the other, compared to some of the other VPS servers, is the actual network download speed. So it's between 305 and I think 351 megabits per second. That's really good. That's why they got 9.5 plus for all of those scores. And in general, yes, okay, it's not bad. The pricing that I've actually put in the new comparison table I made is a special offer price I got. If you click on the link in the review video, maybe this video as well, you might still be able to get the special offer price. I customized the special offer a bit and added more CPUs and more RAM, so it depends on which package you choose. And also I chose Chicago for my location, so of course everything's based on that, but I believe their main servers are in LA, so I don't know if that makes a difference. But again, yeah, just a quick update video. What I'll do, I'll actually show you. I'm making a spreadsheet just so you can quickly look at the results yourself. So this is the three tests that were done on each server. So I'll do one for VPS, one for shared. And I'll just mention the price, the CPU, RAM, the location, the overall score first. And then I'll just go through, put each single result on there and a link to the test URL so you can see yourself. So hopefully this helps you out, because I know it's going to help me out in the future as well when I'm referring to these VPS providers. And in future, on the end here, I might duplicate this and add some more tests, and maybe I'll do another one in 3 months or something. So as long as it's a similar sort of spec, then I might post an update, but we'll see how that goes. But for now, I'll put a link for this down below, and you can see for yourself the updates, and I'll also add it for shared as well. So hope you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.